Wanna know how to show or view clipping waveform in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application and import any audio that you like. Just simply pause File, select Import and then Import Audio. Now, once you've imported an audio, since you want to view clipping waveform, what you can do is just simply hit towards view right here on top navigation bar. Now, once you select view, you should be seeing show clipping in waveform right here. So just simply select it, and once that is done, you should be seeing these red lines right here. So this is the excess waveforms that is happening, and you can also fix it. So by simply selecting effect and then heading towards lowest movement repair and selecting clip fix. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.